guys, here is my 2018 house tour. Starting with the dining room. I actually took everything down, sent it through the dishwasher, cleaned it all, dusted it all, rearranged it, did a few little different decorating on the wall. Just pulled down a few things, did a little different touches. That is my tree. Wanted to put a tree up, but we host Thanksgiving, so I couldn't put my Christmas tree up. So I thought, well, hey, I'll do a Thanksgiving tree. Tell me what y'all think of my Thanksgiving tree. And here it is from a different angle. Just put a little pumpkin there. And my tablescape. As you can see, the two end ones are different because I didn't have enough to do them all and I wanted to show them. So I just made the two end ones, and in another video you can see this has the hobnail on it and these don't. So I just made the two end pieces different. Of course, I'm watching my Hallmark movie. Moved this little cabinet right here. It used to be in that corner, and I moved it right there and put my lamp on it. Really not much fall there. Ugly cables, got to do something with. And inside this cabinet, I just keep my candles and my napkin rings and my napkins in there. And then this part is just for looks. It's just got my Carper stuff in it. More gables. We live in an old farmhouse. That's life. That's the way it is. And on this side of the room, changed up just a little. Cleaned everything. Took all the flowers out. I sent my silk flowers through the dishwasher. I don't know if anybody else does that. Of course, I couldn't do it with these green ones because they would fall apart, but I sent anything that was silk through the dishwasher. This piece is new. I found it at Burke's on clearance for $3. It was missing the succulents, so I just added some succulents I already had. Changed that up and added my little white pictures because I wanted to display them because I like them. And I changed this up. Also got this at Burke Outlet for like $6. It says Farmhouse. Not sure I'm going to keep it there, but for right now, that's where it's at. And, of course, my chair that I still have to cover because my husband got stain on it, which I want to cover that seat anyway. But, and if you want to know where anything came from, just leave me a comment below, and I'll tell you a lot of this I have had for years. This is my curtain. Same curtain. I have my, see our mess. We've been actually working. As you can see, we got the board, Wayne's board up. I've still got to paint it, but it's up. And if you look in the old video, it was not there. It's the same as on this wall that we did last year. And now this year we got this wall done. So behind that curtain and behind this pillow right here was all like cut up wood where we had put new windows in. So now it has it all the way around the room. But this is my window seal. A lot of this come from Target. That's Dollar Tree, but I believe that and that's Target. That was my Goodwill Challenge. And these pillows were my Goodwill Challenge for fall last year. That little bear come from Avon many, many moons ago, probably 10 years ago. And my bench, that was a yard sale find, and that is actually a pet bed that I found that matched, and I used it for a cushion. I found that at Ross for like $7 or $8. Very soft, very cushiony, but I can store all my my decor in here. So you can see I use it as storage. And then on this wall, not much has changed at all on the wall. I did change up the top of the cabinet because I have to put something here to hide the internet box that we have to have. Just took all this down, run it all through the dishwasher, what I could, washed it, and re-put it back in. You can see this is just really an overflow. Not happy with the way it looks, but I want to do something with it. I just don't know what. This has a broken glass, and I want to put some chicken wire, which I have. Just got to get it in the cabinet. And then this part, that little picture wouldn't fit in my shelf. So this is just kind of like some overflow stuff. Okay, well this is my 2018 dining room home tour. I'm going to cut the light off and show you what it looks like without any light on. Okay, this is what it looks like at night. It's actually a little daylight outside now, so it even looks prettier than this in the dark. Old ugly ceiling fan, but we have to have it because we have gas heat. Some things we just can't change. But the tree looks so pretty. So let me know what you think of this room and which room is your favorite. Okay guys, I have decided to just do my videos room by room so that the videos won't be so long. So be sure to comment below and let me know what you think of my dining room fall tour. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below and share this video if you like it. And thanks so much for supporting my YouTube channel. And until next time.